this is Christina Swain with the Swain team of Keller Williams, here to talk to you today about countertops. Thinking about a new countertop yet confused about all the options out there today? With so many possibilities to choose from, it's hard to know which options you should consider. Think about your budget, your design taste, and how your family is going to use the kitchen. Here are some other items to consider. Durability. Is the countertop heat resistant, scratch resistant, and chemical resistant? How easily can it be cleaned and maintained? If you plan to cook in the kitchen regularly, you want something that is easy to care for. Can you set a hot pan down on the surface? On stone countertops, you're able to do that. Whereas with solid surface, a corian type, or a laminate, you cannot do that. Should you expect scratches and regular maintenance with your countertop? Softer countertop surfaces will inevitably get scratched from time to time. With some countertop surfaces, regular maintenance can remove those scratches. And you may also want to consider whether it comes in a wide variety of colors. Pricing varies on each countertop surface. Laminate still remains your cheapest option. So what is so special about granite? Granite is popular for many reasons. It has the look everyone wants. It comes in many colors. It's heat resistant, easily maintained and cared for. It's unaffected by chemicals, and it's the most affordable stone surface countertop. So explore all your options, see what's out there. And if you have any real estate related questions, remember you can always call the Swain team at 215-757-7257. We'd love to hear from you.